Ever wondered how to edit videos in Canva? Well, today is your lucky day because you're about to discover how to do just that. The first step in this process is creating a Canva account. If you haven't got one yet, head over to Canva's website and sign up. It's free and only takes a couple of minutes. Next, you need to select a video document type. After logging in, find the Create a Design button on the top right corner of the screen. Click it and then choose Video from the drop-down menu. Now it's time to get familiar with the Canva editor. This is where all the magic happens. The Canva editor is packed with a plethora of tools and features like text, elements, music, and more. Spend a few minutes exploring and see what catches your eye. The next step is to edit your video. You can upload your own footage or choose from Canva's extensive library. Once you've selected a video, you can trim it, add text, include transitions, and more. The possibilities are endless. Then consider adding soundtracks to your video. Canva has a library of music that you can use. If you have a specific song in mind, you can upload your own music. Finally, when you're happy with the masterpiece you've created, it's time to download your video. Canva offers a variety of formats to choose from, so pick the one that suits your needs best. To recap, the process of editing videos in Canva involves creating an account, selecting a video document type, familiarizing yourself with the Canva editor, editing your video, adding a soundtrack, and downloading your final product. Remember, practice is key. The more you use Canva, the more comfortable you'll become with its features and capabilities. So start experimenting today, and soon enough, you'll be creating videos like a pro. Happy video editing!